Time for the beach. So hi there guys, we've been in Bali a few days now and we've decided it's time to hire a car and driver and explore the island. Where are we going? We don't know. We just said take us around the sightseeing places. Is it worth it? I don't know. How much will it cost? I'll let you know later in the video. One thing I do know is we are going to be tasting the famous cat shit coffee. I kid you not. Now I'm not talking cappuccino. I'm talking cat poo-chino. So let's get into it. But first, it's good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Man, hello. What's your thoughts on trying that cat shit coffee?
What?
So as we made our way to Turta Empul, the rains came, and boy, did it rain.
The picture there on the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm wondering whether I should be purified. A little bit wetter than I anticipated, but now it's time for the cat poo coffee. So the cat poo coffee, it's there's a animal called a civet in Bali. There's a few civets around the world actually, and they eat the coffee cherries, beans, and then poop them out, and they make coffee with them. And it is one of the most expensive coffees in the world. And this is the little fella who's responsible for cat poo coffee.
Yeah. Bali cat poo. And this is the special coffee Luwak. POO Coffee. They come out like this. Snake's bar. So that we wash by hot water until like this.
Clean.
You like peanut? Yeah. Before we roasting, we must take out the shell. We do one by one by hand. So the bacteria.
And this is how the cat poo coffee
Then we do roasting.
comes out the cat poo's bum.
One
And luckily for us today, we have a poo hunter, because somebody has to go hunting the poo to make the coffee. So something I've just found out about the cat shit coffee, the Luwak coffee to term it correctly. Someone has to go out and collect the beans out of the poo. And his job is a poo hunter, which doesn't sound very good, but apparently it's highly paid, so I'm told.
Cat poo coffee, cup number 1.
So now we have the star of the show, cat poo coffee. This is Arabica, made fresh from cat shit. It's bitter, very bitter. Is it? See, me being me, I didn't have 1 cup of cat poo coffee. I had
Cat poo coffee 2.
And being as though it tastes bitter and questionable, it is the world's most expensive coffee, so I'm going to finish it. No, it's mine. Don't spoil it with sugar.
Arabica, and what was this one? Robusta. It sounds strong. And more hill. No, that seems a bit more bitter. Yeah, that was hot. And this is the animal that does the cat sheep coffee. And the cat sheep coffee comes from here. Smells like coffee. Tastes like shit. See if he's got any coffee beans up his horse, man.
Table with a
And
view.
after leaving the coffee tasting, we arrived here at Mount Batur Lake and View. What can I say? The scenery from this place is absolutely breathtaking. And yes, that is an active volcano.
Volcano.
After leaving the cafe with the stunning views, our driver took us a ride around the local area called Kintamani, and we took in the sights of Lake Batur and Mount Batur. It really is such a beautiful, beautiful, stunning area. Have I said stunning?
And our last stop for today is Penglipuran Traditional Village.
This village is the cleanest village in the whole of Bali, but not only the cleanest, surely it has to be the most beautiful. And if you, like me, are thinking of hiring a car and a driver, I strongly recommend you visit Penglipuran village. It is a sight to behold.
So all these doorways are someone's house, and you're free to go in and look around that house. It's a bit hard to comprehend, but it's true. Okay, that looks like a shop.
Let's see. On the east side,
Is this a house or a shop? It's a house.
house and they have a shop as well.
Okay.
They let people go in.
Yeah.
Atas ni nggak rumah.
Band. Let's have a walk in someone's house. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
The same house,
Yeah.
different area.
Yeah.
The house on the that side.
That's the temple
Yes, and the house in this side, the temple is
on the east.
on the east.
Yeah.
Right there. And this is the kitchen.
And that completes today's road trip. Enjoyed it, man?